loved one can look at a roof and know that it cannot leak, can know there is a room that they can put the children in, and know that at night the children can go and sleep there in peace.
It is indeed a far stretch for the government to now go and take $11 billion per year for the next year, $44 billion to use to reduce the debt.
Under the Holness administration, a total of $45.6 billion Jamaican dollars was removed due to an amendment to the NHD Act in 2017. This year, the government again passed legislation extending this for 5 more years, 2021 to 2026. By 2026, the Andrew Holness-led administration will have taken from NHD a total of Jamaican $102.6 billion. This is 5% of the country's GDP.
Millions taken from the NHD, yet we cannot get affordable and decent housing.
As a result of the extended period of extracting resources from the NHD, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has to increase the NHD's profitability by removing the interest rate discounts given to 3 key groups.
Public sector workers, their interest rate goes up by 1%. Persons with disabilities, their interest rate goes up by 2%. And persons 55 years and over, their interest rate goes up by 2%.
We will bring down the interest rates on mortgages, but we will use the NHD money to build housing rather than to take it back to go pay the IMF.
The government is moving full speed ahead with the controversial housing development Phase 2 of the NHD's Ruthven Towers in St. Andrew.
These changes don't feel like they were made for us, but rather for them, the government, who is really benefiting from the NHD here, eh? And all of the house them no build good. Big joke thing this man.
The NHD as an institution has outlived its purpose.